In this video I'll show you the Ugreen USB-C to USB-A or USB-A to USB-C. I'm not exactly sure how these are called, but you can have a device that is USB-C, you can plug it in a device that is USB-A. So it's USB-C to USB-A adapter, and I got this from Amazon. I bought this from Amazon and they were pretty cheap, and not only they were cheap, but it's a pack of 3 actually. So I have only one USB-C to USB-A adapter, and I thought I might want to change it because it's USB 3.1, but these are USB 3.2, hopefully. So that's the barcode here, and there's some kind of product code, Ugreen USB-C to USB-A adapter 3-pack. Not much information written here, but there's not much to know about it. It's a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and I'll take them out and see. Oh, there is some kind of information guide inside. That's nice. They were really so cheap. I'll put links in the description with USB adapters. Okay, so the manual also. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but the links in the description help us. When you purchase using them, we get a small amount. We have the user instruction. Chinese. It's a Chinese brand. Lots of text here. So I'll put it quickly. I'll show it quickly to the camera, and you can pause anywhere you might want to read more. So there is the FCC statement, more statements, and it's actually just different languages. So declaration of conformity, again multiple languages, so nothing interesting with this. And some kind of a French requirement where it tells you that you can recycle this. I think it's a sticker, or I don't know what's this. Okay. Okay, so these are the adapters. They have even a protector for the USB-A, but no protector for the USB-C. So, okay. They are all the same. And you have, there is the logo, there is the branding, Ugreen. I have this USB-C hub, and it's only USB-C, and I would like to convert it to USB-A sometimes because it's more convenient. And there you have this. Here you have the USB-C connector, and plugs in pretty easily. And now it's a okay. It plugs in pretty well now. Oh, they even made it so that the logo shows the same way, like when you plug them like this, the logo shows. Interesting. But if I plug it the other way around, it's gonna show differently. This is a 10 gigabits per second. This is a 10 gigabits per second USB hub, but I'm not sure if I will be able to actually test the 10 gigabit speed. I have to go behind the computer for that, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. And maybe in another video, maybe I could do that. If you want, write a comment if you need to check the speed of these, but I really think doesn't really matter. Even if it's 5 gigabits per second, it's still a good deal too. They are really cheap. This is the blue USB-A.